Hello everyone, welcome to the latest Travelport Qantas NDC demo. Our focus is not just on shopping and booking, but ensuring that agents have the capability to fully service a PNR end-to-end. Let's have a look at some of those capabilities, starting with shopping. Here the agent is looking for return flights from Sydney to Perth, with the outbound flight leaving at around 10 a.m. The shopping response will return flights within a 2-hour time window of the selected time. The booking is for 3 adults and 1 child, and you can use the drop-down box to select the desired passenger type. Multiple types are available. There are several airlines providing NDC content which you can choose from in the drop-down here. And by adding a corporate account code or frequent flyer number, the agent can receive unique NDC offers. If desired, you can also limit your search to a specific cabin class shown in the drop-down here. In the results, the schedule options appear showing the lowest brand and 1 upsell, and when you click on a flight schedule, you can see the details of the brand in the tiles to the right. But also you can click on View More Brands for this flight to get more available brands for booking. You can select and book from this screen or the previous one, and we'll select from this screen. We're now going to book the return flight. One of the features of the new Smartpoint desktop is that you can compare across flights as shown here. This can be useful when a customer is looking for the best option and offer across schedules. Here you can specify the form of payment and also add special requests in SSRs like special assistance and meals. As you can see here, the agent is going to add a special meal for the child by clicking on the pencil to edit the SSRs. Now let's book and hold. Within the booking, you'll also see tax breakdowns of each of the individual travelers. Now that the flights are successfully booked, you can see that they are also showing up in the DI lines for your mid and back office systems. We can also see that the N is orange, meaning that the PNR has not yet been ticketed. Also at this point, an agent who uses a consolidator can queue the PNR to that consolidator for ticketing. We're now going to modify the booked PNR. We're going to add in a frequent flyer number for an additional passenger in the booking. We save the changes, and since no additional fee is required, there is no additional amount to pay. So we accept that and issue the ticket. The booking has been changed successfully and will be reflected in the DI lines. And now the N is green, showing it has been ticketed. Now let's see how this is reflected on the Qantas website. Here we can see, once we scroll down, that the passengers appear with the 2 frequent flyer numbers and the dietary requirements for the child. Let's go back in and modify the NDC booking again. Here we will go to the next functionality we'd like to show you, which is the simple steps required to divide or split a booking. This can be used in instances where 1 or more passengers needs to change their itinerary separate to the others. Here we are going to separate our member passenger from the others. You can choose to go to the new PNR or return to the original booking and move between the two. Let's go to this new split out PNR to change it. Here we are going to change the return flight for our member passenger to a different date. We'll choose the best option for the traveler to get a new offer for the flight combinations and get the new price. You'll see that the system has calculated the new additional amount to collect from the fare difference and fees. Now we'll confirm and ticket the modified booking. Here we can see the flights have been updated for this passenger and ticketed accordingly. We can see that the tickets have been exchanged. And we can see the vendor locators for the original and new PNRs. Now let's take a look at how this appears on Qantas.com. Here is our old PNR with the 3 remaining passengers. And here is the new PNR with the solo passenger and his new return date. Let's go back into Smartpoint to show you how to cancel a booking. We'll start by canceling the split out PNR for Mr. Member Traveler. This would show in the void screen, but if there had been cancellation fees, it would show at this time. Or if we'd been booking a non-refundable fare, we'd have the option to create a credit on hold for future bookings with Qantas. Of course, this will all be reflected in the DI lines to be captured by your mid and back office systems, and the N will change to a grey color, indicating that the booking has been cancelled and the ticket has been voided, as you can see here in the DI lines. Thank you everyone for your time.